This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jorge Cedeno. A cozy CBS home with a metal roof installed on 2013. Nice and relaxing backyard. Just a few minutes from the boutiques and fine dining restaurants at the Old Downtown Stuart. The kitchen has a new set of stainless steel appliances and granite counters. The flooring is tile throughout entire house. The front and backyard is equipped with sprinkler system. Come to see this property, you will love it. For more information, review the details below or contact Jorge Cedeno at 772-871-7411.